While we work on many ideas throughout the year, one that struggled for progress was our James Webb Space Telescope model from the original NASA design. Originally designing that didn't take very long. It was pretty straightforward, actually. But once we started 3D printing the model and trying to make it work, it just kept hitting snag after snag. Our first models were designed in pieces so that we could assemble James Webb Space Telescope, but we found out quickly that the one-to-one design from what NASA had as a design to what we could 3D print at that small scale just didn't really work. And so the assembly became much harder, and some of the quality of some of the parts just weren't up to par because of how small we were printing James Webb Space Telescope. And eventually, after many prints and some upgrades we had done to make sure that we 3D print in full color with our Prusa i3 Mark 3S Plus MMU printer, fancy way of calling it a multicolor printer, we pushed the 3D print JWST in one piece. Get rid of all of the assembly for the most part and just print the color in place where it should be all at once, which was very ambitious. Just like Starship. We started the process at the beginning of 2024 for the full color, and it basically took us a year to figure out how to adjust things, to 3D print JWST in one piece, and multicolor consistently. We were so close so many times, but we had to keep tweaking to adjust for all the little subtleties of 3D printing and the ways that could cause a failure